welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Perry, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So this is the day I've been looking for this time, and finally I got it. I've been looking for this time at least to show you guys how I normally do my salad, and be ready to see the whole process for the salad. So I'll be showing you guys the ingredients that we need for us to make salad. So these are my ingredients. I hope you can see, but I'm going to name them. So we need capsicums, red capsicum, orange capsicum. We need pieces of lettuce or lettuce. We need a lemon. We need cucumber. We need tomato, onion, mushroom, garlic, olive oil. This is pomegranate liquid, and this is vinegar. We need salt, yogurt, and pomegranate powder. Also with me here I have this. I'll be using this to squeeze the lemon, this to mix my salad, the bowl, of course, to put the salad once I'm done, a chopping board, and a knife. So let's start. So I'll start by washing my hands. Every time wash your hands before you do anything. Si mnajua pia kuna corona, so we have to take care of ourselves and also our friends. So I'm going to start by cutting these pieces of lettuce. So let's cut the pieces of lettuce. So it depends. Some people will want you to cut for them small pieces, others want or large pieces. Others are comfortable with the medium size. So with me, I always do medium size. Always be careful also with the knife. So once I'm done with the lettuce, I'm going to cut cucumber. For cucumber also you need to cut medium size. Let me say, like, for everything, once you choose that your lettuce will be in a medium size, so make everything to be in a medium size, because also we need to make something that is presentable. So for cucumbers, we'll have to cut them in cubes. So cucumbers, we are done. Now I'm going to chop off my tomato. You guys, you should know that every time you should be eating a salad, let me say like maybe 3 times per week. It's so healthy for your body. It's so healthy. So next I'll chop off my capsicums. I have to use this, since I was looking for the green ones, for them to be like a 3, so that I have like a 3 types, green, orange and red, but I missed the green one, so it's fine. I'll still use this 2. So for this one I'll go for quarter of it. So I'm going to cut this red one. So somebody was telling me that these 3 capsicums, one is called ho-ho, another one he-he, another one he-he. How true is that? Ama ni chocha za watu tu. Anyway, for me I call them capsicums. Si kizungu mingi. In real sense they are called capsicums. So next I'm going to cut my onion. I'm supposed also to use the green onion, but I missed it. But next time I'll try and get the green one, so that we have a nice taste. Next I'm going to cut my mushroom, the white mushroom. And these white mushrooms, I'm telling you guys, I used to see them in my younger age, and I didn't I wasn't eating them. I don't know where I got this habit of eating them in my older age now. So next thing, we are supposed now to make the dressing for the whole salad. So this is the whole salad, but for it to be yummy and for it to be tasty, like I'm going to make a dressing for it, and then I'll have to mix them together now. So this is the only amount that I'm going to make for my dinner. So in this mixture, I'm going to add 1 of this spoon of olive oil. Then I'll have to add a half a spoon of pomegranate liquid. Then for the pomegranate powder, I'll add half a spoon of this. Then for the vinegar, I'm going to add half a spoon of this. Half a spoon of the smallest spoon. Then this is the dressing now. So I just want to show you guys the yogurt. This is the yogurt, and then this is the salad. This is the salad. So I'm going to add like 2 spoons of the yogurt into my salad, and the rest I'll keep it for later. So 2 spoons of our dressing. Then mix your mixture, mix your salad. So I'll show you guys once I serve it and once we have a taste with you guys. So look at the salad, guys. Look at how amazing it is. This is so yummy. So this is where I'll put my salt. Then have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? You guys, this is amazing. This salad you see here, it's so amazing. I'm going to eat this for my dinner. Like literally, I'll not eat anything else. This is my dinner. It's amazing. It's so amazing. I see chocha. Amazing. So guys, that is it for this video for today. So kindly subscribe, share, like and comment. Also tell your friends who have not subscribed to come watch my videos and do so. And for the love of this video, I love you guys, and bye bye. See you on my next video.